Hey guys, this is my new ride. Got it last week, just here for doing a few clips down local. We're gonna head down there in about 10 minutes. Wait, this is my fucking bike! What's up niggas? New fucking bike here. My fucking helmet broke, I'm pretty depressed right now actually. Anyway, got a new Federal AC frame. Chrome one. Got kink bars, fit shivs, number 2. Got profile hubs, gold ones. Shadow stun rim on the back. Alienation deviant on the front. Got Odyssey gyro, Odyssey cable, Odyssey lever. Purity fucking gyro noodle things. Got Diatech brakes, fly diamond cranks, tree sprocket. Oh fuck, I don't know which one. Snaffle on a X6, ODI grips, or E-Clat seat. It's fucking hard as a rock. I got a S&M Enduro stem and ODI long necks. Oh, got a Odyssey chain, Colony bottom bracket, fit fat front tyre and a power block on the back. Haters on my motivators. Peace nigga. Let's go for a ride. Don't know what for. Alright, gotta watch this shit.
Yeah.